Meanwhile, I'll request Dr. Sharmila to kindly introduce course so that we don't waste time.
Namaste. It's a great honor and privilege for me to be here today for this initiative with Dr. Kalpana Nagpal and the formation of our dream project, the WAOI, Women's Association of Otolaryngologists of India. It started as a 2-member team and it's increased over 2 years to more than 200, and then there was an amazing response, and in 1 week we crossed 1,000. So that was when there's no looking back for our organization now. We just look forward to the wonderful platform for networking and mentorship of all our colleagues, lady colleagues in ENT. I would like to welcome you all. I would like to welcome the chief guest, Dr. Aruna Agarwal, Dr. Pilu Hakim, all the organizing committee members, and all the wonderful delegates who have come from all over the country to make our conference a wonderful success. We are going to have a real academic feast here, and that's what we are all looking forward to. A wonderful learning experience, and we have eminent faculty from all over India coming to share the valuable knowledge that they have with us. And that will be a wonderful experience. Today, it's a one-day event. Regarding the scientific program, I would like to mention that it has been designed for all practicing otolaryngologists and those who are in training programs, also healthcare providers who are interested in updating and getting the standards of care, medical and surgical, in otolaryngology. The emphasis will be on minimal access surgeries and advanced surgical procedures. So everything will be covered for a very good update. Then we have sessions devoted to medico-legal issues, then code of conduct, ethical practice, and these are very important issues in the current digital age. There will be a focus on digital innovation too, and all the latest in the field of otolaryngology. And last but not least, we will have topics related to gender, equity, then inclusivity and social responsibility, which will help us develop community and public health with patient and public outreach activities. That is a short summary of our scientific program. Thank you.
I hereby welcome Dr. Abha Bhatnagar to come on stage and Dr. Chanchal Pal also to felicitate our dignitaries. Please cheer them.